We're going to build a Django app to screenshot any site on the internet. We'll use a headless browser to visit the URL, take a screenshot, and then render that to our HTML. You could expand this and sell it as a product online. Find something that you can do better. Other things would be to create visual content for your blog, A/B visual testing, to name a few. So let's get going. Section 1, we're going to install the requirements, create a new Django app into your terminal, paste it in. There are Core and Sim, your new app. Code is set up for Google Chrome. You could change it to use Brave or Safari if you'd like. It's only 4 or 5 lines to change, up to you. Now we'll register our app or settings. Sim is the name of our app there, into installed apps. Now, section 2, we're going to add our URLs. So let's, for routing, copy this, go to core URLs, paste it in, and so that will route to our app. And then update our Sim URLs. We actually need to create a file here. So go new file, urls.py inside our Sim app, and then paste it in. Section 3, we're going to create the views that can take the screenshots. Copy this first, and then paste this into Sim views. As you can see here, there are 2 views. We have one that just renders the initial page, capture page, and then we have our second. On that page, we will have a form which allows you to enter the URL, send it, and then that will then, using HTMX, which is really cool, you don't need to know anything about it, but it's really powerful, send a post request to this view, which then visits the URL, captures using the Chrome in a headless way, that means without any UI, gets the URL, takes a photo of it at a particular width and height, then saves an image, and then renders another template with that image, section 4. So we're going to create a templates folder in our Sim app templates, and then we're going to create a preview HTML file. So create a new file called preview.html. This is the fragment that we're with the screenshot that we're going to render back into the page, into the frame page, into the initial page. And now we create another template called capture.html. So I'll go down, copy that, create another template here called capture.html, and paste in our HTML. And you can see that's where our preview HTML will be rendered on our server. For recursive joy, enter in the blog page, but you can enter in any site you'd like. And there we go. As you can see, it will run at different speeds on different sites. My site loads very quickly, so that should go quickly. So you can click to download this image, or you can enter a different website. That's apple.com. There you go. So that's it. As you can see, really fast to do. Congrats, we're finished. You can deploy this online and then perhaps sell it as a service. If you do, I recommend that you use serverless functions. It takes time for each request. You can offload that to a serverless function. I've got a tutorial here which I did on adding serverless functions. You could also add mobile device previews. You only need to change one line in the code. Besides that, I hope you enjoyed it. Here are some other Django tutorials that I've made. I'm making them weekly. All the best to you.